Yo, what's up? It's Ben with Digital Dreams, and today we're in San Francisco, California. We're going to walk through PAC-12's existing headquarters. We are moving them from one location to another, but today we're going to be going through and checking out, they have about 50 displays that we're going to be taking down, repackaging, and moving physically to their new location and rehanging them. So we're just doing a walk through the headquarters, so let's go check it out. Hey, we're here to meet Kevin with PAC-12. How you doing?
Good to see you.
You too. Connor?
Connor, good to see you, bud.
This is Chris.
Chris, nice to meet you. Come on in.
Okay. You got a little LED wall right there, Kevin.
So this is the list of the TVs that we're going to take, and I think you got this.
Yeah, I got it.
Well. And this is just basically the rooms where they're coming from. We've tagged all of the TVs that we're going to take.
Okay.
So they're all like this.
Yeah, but she's got the sound bar mount that just holds it. We'll take the TV off, take it apart, make sure this gets boxed up separate.
This is where they put the graphics at the bottom of the screens. This is where they put the score tickers. This is where they do like instant replays after a play.
Four guys managing all that. Are they talking to like the camera guys too while they're there? Like
They're all on headsets.
They're all on headsets.
And then this is the audio control room. They just sound from here. This is bits. This is where they bring in all of the signals from the different games, and they'll send it out to the broadcast facility. And then this is PCR1. This is the main control room. They can do, I think, 4 or 5 different games from this room, plus the live studio. This is Studio A. This is our main studio. You have to pull up PAC-12 and Ronnie Lott on YouTube, and you'll see him sitting at this desk, and they were joking around after one of the productions, and he pushes away from the desk, rolls right off the back of the set.
No way.
Straight up in the air. That's why we had to put the lip on the back of the desk.
Just to stop.
You have a Costanza wallet, by the way. Down goes Lott.
And then this studio is more that they use for still photography. We've got a green screen in here.
Oh, green screen action, nice.
We have what we call media days here. We bring in the top 2 players from every school, the coaches and all that kind of stuff, and a bunch of media. These studios are all just what we call just announcing studios. We had literally 8mm film from 1942.
Dang.
Yeah.
We get peep those videos. Yeah, sweet. Right on. I appreciate the tour, man. It's pretty cool. We've been trying to meet up with you.
Yeah, no, for sure.
Been delayed. Finally did it.
Yeah.
Sweet.